guys, it's Asheli from Nutty Tree Reviews, and today I'm doing something different. So this is a review for the line, the Biore for your pores line. So they came out with these, and I walk past them in CVS and Rite Aid all the time, and I have them, and I'm like, I should really do a full review on these. So I want to do more like skincare stuff, and especially like drugstore. This is more accessible than like the things that I usually review. So I thought this was really cool. I have 4 products here. Let me get more comfortable. The cat's joining me today because she was in the room already. Oh, okay. We're stinkeroni. All right, so it's so hot here. Is it hot where you're at? It's super hot here. So I have 4 products, and do you like my nails? This is from a Korean brand called Sep. It's called sticker nail, literally because you can just pick the excess off your cuticles. Now, I just put this on, so I don't know how long it lasts. I'm gonna let you guys know. If I really love it, I might do a full review because they have tons of colors, and I think this is really unique. I wouldn't pick this myself, but I think it's really cool. It's different. It definitely stands out. Am I sure? What do you think of this? Nicole sent it to me. If you read my blog, Nicole is my other girl that reviews on my blog. And she's like, I don't really like this shirt. Do you like it? I'm like, oh my god, this is so cool. It's all the Disney villain women. And they're like, not sorry. I love that. Alright, so first alright, so just to start off, if you have really dry or sensitive skin, this is probably not the line for you. You're probably better doing a clay mask or going with this first product. This is the Free Your Pores baking soda. This is a baking soda cleansing scrub. Okay, so it is literally just baking soda in here. If there's other products, I'm not sure. So it's sodium bicarbonate, sodium cocoa, citric acid, sodium carbamexyl. They're just all like soda, baking soda. You see the sodium. So these are it's gonna get down into your, let's see something, into your pores and pull stuff out, extract things like you would with a clay mask almost, except that baking soda reacts. It's more reactive. It's just interrupted. So this is for combination skin. So if you do have maybe normal to dry skin or dry to or normal to oily, this might be good for you. I have really dry. It's just like an interesting to watch it move in there. It's like one of those puzzles back in the day. So that's who I would recommend this for. I don't know the actual prices. I'll look online and then I'll link to everything below. Ensure lid is closed to avoid letting in moisture. So this can, like, you know how powders are. They get thick and crunchy, like sticky. All right, so there's that. This is the one that I would recommend if you have dry skin. I still get clogged pores though. See, for people with dry skin, like, I still have T-zone issues. And that doesn't make me combo skin because I don't get oily on every, I don't know. I'm not a scientist. All right, so then there's the baking soda acne scrub. Definitely would not recommend this if you have dry skin. Just because this is for acne, it's going to have more, see the active ingredients. It has salicylic acid, which is great at fighting acne. And I do like salicylic acid, but not in a cleanser. So this is something you would use, I'm guessing, every day. Okay, no. It doesn't say how often. Like, you can't use it every day. But like with face cleansers, you'd imagine you use it every day, like as your daily cleanser. But this says up to 2 or 3 times a week, or up to 2 times daily. So yes, this would be your everyday cleanser. And I think, like, for somebody that has dry skin, it might be a little too much. Salicylic acid is something for like somebody like myself. I only use when I feel like I need it, when I remember to use it. Anyway, I'm still stuck on the Polish Choice. That stuff is amazing. So it looks very much in here, and it smells peachy, just like that St. Ives apricot scrub, like a very exfoliating with a little, they don't use microbeads anymore, but things like that, like natural microbead action, all that stuff. So that one, I would say, if you have oily skin, if you have acne, this is the one to go with. Then there's this. This is if you are going for, if you do have dry skin and you do want to try this out because you have like clogged pores or whatever, you could use this in a certain area. This is the most gentle of the 4 products. So this is the baking soda pore cleanser. skin purifying technology. It's oil free, so if you do have oily skin, it's not going to add oil to your skin. It's also not going to hydrate your skin, just so you know. So penetrates pores and gently exfoliates. Don't be dirty. This is a huge package. It's 6.7 ounces. The first, this is 4.5, and then that first baking soda is 4.5 as well. So this is the largest of them. It does also have a pump, which is nice. I like that you could just put this in the shower. You know what I'm saying? So let's read the back here. It says what it does. Biore Baking Soda Pore Cleanser deep cleans to remove dirt and impurities from the pore while gently exfoliating away dead cells to reveal smooth, healthy looking skin. It's hypoallergenic. Dermatologist tested. I don't actually know what that means. What are there these like dermatologists that they hire to test this stuff? That's something I actually want to look into and find out what it means. This is a daily face wash. Wet face, pump, cleanser into hands and work into a lather, massage over entire face, rinse thoroughly. That's it. So that's that one. This is more just a daily wash. Probably good. And it says great for combo skin. So this is a good all-around cleanser. And then finally, this is probably the one that's the most effective if you're looking to clean your pores and really get and clean your skin. This is the charcoal, great for oily skin cleanser. Scrubs out acne causing dirt and oil. Salicylic acid is in here. It's 4.5 ounces. This one is black, as you can see. Now, it does have a scent though. It's like scented, which, I mean, I don't mind if skincare stuff has scents, but sometimes I just prefer it not to, because it's weird that you're putting this stuff on that you don't want to irritate your skin, and it has something in it that is just known to irritate people, fragrance. So anyway, that's my own opinion. So it does have 1% salicylic, while the other one has 2%. So if you're looking for more salicylic, it's this one. I would, if you are really looking to cleanse your skin, I would go with these two together and probably use one for the morning. This one, or maybe this one. I'm not sure. I would do the charcoal at night. This one in the morning. Morning, night. You see what I'm saying? What are they saying? How often? 2 to 3 times per week or up to 2 times daily, just like this one. So this is going to extract more though, because it is charcoal. It's going to draw out. I mean, the whole idea of baking soda is supposed to draw it out. I don't know. So do I like this line? I do like this line. I love that the products are varied in that you can find something for almost everyone. Now, there's not something specifically for me, but that's okay. But there's all sorts of products for whatever you're looking for if you're trying to really cleanse your pores. Personally, I like these two products, but that's because they're probably the most gentle. And I think they almost color coded them, because if you look at the green, it's like, oh, a little more gentle. And then these are definitely look like the orange. These are the ones that are going to actually like do some, you know, heavy, I want to say damage, but that's like the wrong word, right? So, have any of you guys tried these products? I'm interested in hearing your thoughts. Leave them down below. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.